welcome back to Belqui's Twist. Today I am making my very beloved goat cheese salad. I love it. It is one of my favorites. If anyone that knows me can say anything about me, it would be that I love goat cheese. So if I see goat cheese on any menu item, like I have to have it. I cannot not have it because it will just follow me throughout the rest of the day that I did not have whatever that thing was that had goat cheese in it. So the first time I had goat cheese was at a Seasons 52, I think. And it was an arugula salad with red beets, and I love red beets. So I said to myself, well, you know what, I'll try it and, I'll try the cheese, even though, goat cheese doesn't sound so good, but, let me try it. And I did, and I loved it. And it was kind of the beginning of my love for goat cheese. In my twist, I take the goat cheese, I buy the one that has the herbs, and the one in that little cylinder roll, and I chop it up, and I fry it in butter with panko, and then it just gets nice and crusty, and oh my God, and then it's warm, and it breaks up into the salad. Oh my God, yeah, it's like food porn. Anyway, I want you to learn how to make it. So here we go. Let's do it. Simple, right? And guess what? It is absolutely delicious. You're going to want to make this all the time. That's how good the salad is. So, if you make it, write in the comments. You gotta let me know, okay? I'll see you next time. Bye.